myself Chaitan Mathasulya, and today we are going to solve another LeetCode question. So now let's head over to the LeetCode window. Okay, so question is on our screen. Question number is 136, single number, easy category question. Description is given a non-empty array of integers nums. Every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. Okay, so now this question is basically says, let's take a look of the examples. Here in example 1, nums array contains 2, 2 and 1. So basically question says that every array contains one single unique element that does not repeat. All other elements are repeat at once or twice. So we have to find that unique element. For example, in example 1, 2 or 2 repeats but 1 is unique. Then output is 1. Same in example 2, 4 is unique but 1, 2 is repeating. So output is 4. And also here they are given that a solution with a linear runtime complexity means we does not use nested loop or anything. That in short we have to use only one loop for the linear runtime complexity. So now let's head over to the solution of this question. Okay, so I write the solution. Before I explain you the code, I uses bitwise operator to solve this question. The bitwise operator is XOR. The property of XOR says that if two numbers are same, means 1 XOR 1 or 0 XOR 0, then the answer becomes 0. But if two numbers are different, means 1 XOR 0 or 0 XOR 1, the answer becomes 1. Means it says that first of all, how we use this here, because here if we think very clearly, so we have to remove all the repeating elements and just have to print unique element. So XOR property are well defined here, because XOR property give answer of two same elements. Means if we do 2 XOR 2, then it gives 0. Same 1 XOR 1 gives 0, 2 XOR 2 gives 0, and 4 XOR this whole 0 gives 4. Means n XOR 0 gives n, 0 XOR 0 gives 0. This is the property of XOR bitwise operator. So how we use in the code? First of all, I assume answer as 0. Then I run a for loop and assume value inside all nums vector. Then after I declare the answer value as ans XOR value. What does that mean? Answer means 0 XOR. Let's take example of 1. For this loop, first of all, what happened? Answer 0 equals to 0 XOR 2, means 0 XOR n, means answer becomes n. Means here after that first element, answer becomes 2. After that loop move to second element, means second element is 2. Then 2, answer is 2. Then 2 equal to 2 XOR value is 2. 2 means n XOR n becomes answer 0. Means now answer becomes 0 again. Then loop moves to third element. Answer equal to answer means 0 equal to 0 XOR value. Value is 1. Means here 0 XOR 1. Means answer becomes 1, because 0 XOR n becomes n. So answer becomes 1. So this works on every loop, because XOR element removes all same elements and just return the unique element. So now and after that we return answer, because now answer is the unique element, because last unique elements XOR 0, answer is unique element. So now let's first of all run all test cases. Okay, all three test cases are passes. Now submit the code. Okay, as you can see, 0 millisecond is runtime, beats 100%, and this is my linear time complexity. Means I only use one loop. I doesn't use nested loop. You can solve this also with nested loop. You can compare all the two elements. If same, then ignore. If unique, then add in the answer, etc. thing. But this is the method for linear time complexity. I hope you understand the solution. Let's meet in the next question. Till then, goodbye.